Welcome back to Trendy Reviews. If you're a coffee lover, you're in for a treat. Today we're diving into the world of espresso machines to bring you the top 5 best espresso machines in 2025. Whether you're a casual coffee drinker or a true aficionado, finding the right espresso machine can transform your coffee experience at home. We've carefully selected and reviewed the latest models that stand out in terms of performance, design and value. So sit back, grab your favorite cup of coffee, and let's explore the best espresso machines this year has to offer. For more information and update pricing, check the links in the description below, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates. Let's get started. Presented by Trendy. Number 5. Café-Peso Portable Espresso Maker. The café-Peso Portable Espresso Maker is a game-changer for coffee enthusiasts who crave high-quality espresso on the go. This compact and lightweight device is designed for portability without compromising on performance. Its sleek modern design is complemented by robust construction, making it ideal for travel, camping, or even just a quick espresso at the office. The Peso's unique manual operation allows you to brew espresso with a rich, full-body flavor and a perfect crema, rivaling what you'd expect from a traditional espresso machine. The device is built in pressure gauge, ensures precise control over the brewing process, giving you the ability to fine-tune your espresso to your exact taste preferences. What sets the café-Peso apart is its ease of use and versatility. Despite its small size, it features a professional-grade stainless steel filter basket which accommodates finely ground coffee, ensuring a rich extraction. The integrated tamper and dosing funnel make it simple to prepare your coffee grounds just right. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to the device's modular design, which allows you to disassemble and rinse the components effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned barista or a casual coffee lover, the café-Peso delivers an impressive espresso experience, making it a must-have gadget for anyone who values convenience without sacrificing quality. Number 4. Jura E8 Automatic Coffee Machine. The Jura E8 automatic coffee machine stands out as a premium choice for coffee enthusiasts who crave convenience without sacrificing quality. This machine boasts a sleek design with an intuitive color display, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. Its pulse extraction process (PP) ensures that every cup of coffee, from espressos to cappuccinos, is brewed to perfection by optimizing extraction time. The Aroma G3 grinder preserves the beans' full aroma while grinding them twice as fast as conventional grinders, guaranteeing a fresh and flavorful coffee experience. One of the Jura 8's most impressive features is its versatility and ease of use. With 12 different specialty coffees available at the touch of a button, you can effortlessly customize your drink preferences. The machine's intelligent water system (IWS) automatically detects the filter, ensuring your coffee is made with the purest water possible. Additionally, the integrated maintenance programs and interchangeable milk spout make cleaning and upkeep a breeze. Whether you're a casual coffee drinker or a connoisseur, the Jura E8 delivers an exceptional barista quality coffee experience at home. Number 3. Rancilio Silvia. The Rancilio Silvia is a legendary espresso machine celebrated for its robust construction and professional-grade performance. One of its standout features is its commercial-quality brass boiler, which ensures excellent temperature stability and steam power, allowing users to pull consistently perfect espresso shots. The machine's stainless steel housing not only adds to its durability, but also gives it a sleek, modern look that complement any kitchen. The professional-grade porter filter and steam provide the flexibility to craft a variety of coffee drinks with precision, making it an excellent choice for both novices and experienced baristas. What sets the Rancilio Silvia apart from other home espresso machines is its user-friendly design and upgradability. The intuitive control panel makes it easy to operate, while the 3-way solenoid valve ensures a dry puck for easy cleanup. Additionally, the Silvia's modular components are readily available, making maintenance and upgrades straightforward. Enthusiasts can customize their machine with PID controllers or other accessories to enhance temperature control and shot consistency. This adaptability, combined with its proven performance and durability, makes the Rancilio Silvia a beloved machine in the home espresso community. Number 2. Daloni Stylosa. The Delony Stylosa espresso machine stands out with its sleek compact design, making it an excellent addition to any kitchen without consuming much counter space. Its modern aesthetic, characterized by clean lines and a stylish black and stainless steel finish, complements various kitchen decors. The machine's user-friendly interface ensures that even beginners can quickly master the art of espresso. Making with a 15-bar pump pressure, the Stylosa consistently delivers rich aromatic espresso shots. Rivaling those found in your favorite cafe, the machine's manual milk frother allows for the creation of creamy cappuccinos and lattes, adding to its versatility. One of the standout features of the Delony Stylosa is its practical design, tailored for everyday use. The removable water tank and drip tray simplify the cleaning process, ensuring that maintenance is hassle-free, though the machine's sturdy construction promises durability, providing reliable performance over time. Additionally, the Stylosa compact footprint does not compromise on capacity, as it can accommodate both single and double shots of espresso. The adjustable cup height feature caters to different cup sizes, enhancing convenience. Overall, the Delony Stylosa is a perfect choice for coffee enthusiasts seeking a reliable, user-friendly and aesthetically pleasing espresso machine. Number 1. Brevo Barista Express Impress. The Brevo Barista Express Impress is a standout espresso machine that combines professional-grade performance with user-friendly features. Its integrated conical bird grinder allows you to grind beans directly into the porter filter, ensuring the freshest possible coffee. With precise grind size and dose control, you can tailor your coffee to your exact preferences. The built-in steam wand offers excellent microfoam capabilities, perfect for creating latte art and enhancing the flavor and texture of your drinks. The machine's intuitive interface, complete with a pressure gauge, provides real-time feedback, making it easy for both beginners and experienced baristas to achieve consistently great results. One of the most impressive aspects of the Brevo Barista Express Impress is its robust build quality and sleek design. Constructed from stainless steel, it not only looks stunning on any countertop but also promises durability and longevity. The generous water tank and removable drip tray add to the convenience, making cleanup and maintenance straightforward. Additionally, the machine's quick heat-up time means you won't have to wait long for your morning coffee fix. Whether you're an espresso or Ficado or just starting your journey into home brewing, the Barista Express Andis offers a perfect blend of performance, aesthetics and ease of use. The most recent and biggest tack. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and advice. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions for products you'd like us to review, please leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to remain updated, and see you in the next video forum.